today. Today we're going to check out the UONI robot vacuum and mop V980 Plus. So this does include, as you can see, a self-empty bin. It does have a mopping attachment as well. It is Lidar based, which is great. As all Lidar based robots, that means it's app controllable with Wi-Fi. So this will map your house. You can divide the rooms. You can tell to go clean specific rooms. And the reason I'm showing you this one right now is because right now they're running an amazing promotion. You can get this for $266 on Amazon. I'll put the links down in the description if you're interested in. So this one is very similar to a lot of the other Lidar-based robots that include this style bin. One of them being the Proscenic M7 Pro, which is actually a good thing because that Proscenic was a very, very good robot vacuum. And the self-empty bin is just straight up a bonus. So this for $266, it's an amazing deal. Probably the cheapest price I've ever seen on a Lidar-based robot vacuum with a self-empty bin. Not only that, this has the large battery at 5200 mAh, so it's going to last a very long time like a Roborock would. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Here's a little bit more information real quick. The dust bag is quite large, and I believe there's going to be one inside and then one additional inside this box, so that's nice that they include an extra one. You get the robot vacuum, of course, the self-empty bin. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we get. Once again, $266 is an absolute steal. It's even a good deal typically for a Lidar-based robot vacuum, if it's a good vacuum. If this is at all like its competitors, it's going to be really good overall. And it does have a mop. Alright, here's the mop and the container. It appears this is a drip-fed system. So basically you just fill this up with water and it will slowly drip water onto this pad, therefore cleaning your floors. So very cool, it's included. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of mopping robots that have the vacuum, but it will do better than nothing. Here is the manuals as well as... Alright, here's the manuals that are included, as well as a little bag. I'm assuming the bag is for your extra mop pad to keep your remote handy and stuff like that. This is actually the first one I've seen to include a bag. Kind of cool. Not sure how useful it is, but nonetheless, anything extra is always fun. Here is just simply an additional mopping pad, so it does come with two of those. Here is a remote control if you don't feel like using your app on your phone. And of course it does come with batteries as well. Here's a couple extra driplets. This is what you put onto the tank. Alright, this is going to be the robot vacuum, of course. We'll get to that in just a moment. And of course the self-empty bin. And there's even more down below. You get quite a bit for this amazing price that they're running. I believe this price is going on until the end of October. I will confirm that whenever I link it in the description. It does come with an extra filter. That's always great to have. And then an extra set of side brushes. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the dirt bin. This has a lot of the black and gold on it as well. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the self-empty bin. As you can see, it does include one bag installed already, which is great. What do you guys think? You guys like the black and gold? I'm not a big gold person, but at least on this, I think it looks pretty good. I know the robot itself has more gold. We'll have to decide if we like that in just a moment. Alright, here's a couple of extra filters, which is fantastic. Usually you might get two of them from a manufacturer, so the fact that they include three of them, that's quite awesome. These will last quite a long time depending on how much you actually use the vacuum. I believe this size dirt bag will do up to 60 days, perhaps 90 if you don't run it every day or every other day. So very cool. They give you a lot for the price, I'll tell you that. I like that. Let's go ahead and check out the robot vacuum itself. Here's the top, once again with more information on it. 2700 PA strong suction, that is quite strong. Once again, a 5200 mAh battery, 3-in-1 sweep vacuum and mop. This claims up to 3-hour runtime. That's pretty high. I'm not sure if it'll do that much, but if you want, I can put that through the test. Of course, that's going to be on its lowest suction power. And then this is also a little QR code you scan to take you to the correct app. All right, let's check out the top of the robot vacuum. Honestly, I actually kind of like the gold in this. It's not like a flashy gold, it's more like a bronze. I think it looks really good on this robot vacuum. What do you guys think? I like the fact that they put it all around the exact edge of the robot. And then also this little line and then the gold LiDAR sensor. Looks pretty cool to me. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments, please. All right, let's check if the dome is clickable. Now what it does, if it's clickable, it will prevent this from getting stuck like underneath your couch or a bed frame. Because if this drives underneath a couch and this isn't clickable, it's just going to keep going. And if it forces itself under the ledge of the couch, it's going to get stuck and then air out. So if it is clickable, let's see. Which it is also, which is awesome. That will click. See, it's clickable, and then it also will move from side to side. So if this bumps your couch or bed frame, it's going to know to back off and stay away from that area. So very good that's included. The one robot vacuum that I had that did not have that inclusion was the Wise robot vacuum, and it actually got stuck underneath my bed rail. And it was jammed in there so much, it was like this. And I thought it was going to break the LiDAR dome. Luckily it didn't, but because it didn't have that, one, it wasn't able to finish the job, and two, it could have damaged it. Let's go ahead and check out the dirt bin. So this is you can see the filters on the top, opens like this. This is, I believe, a 400 milliliter dirt bin, so not the biggest in the world, but the fact that it self-empties is definitely a plus. This also does include that mesh that I've been talking about lately. So any fine dust that gets on here, you can just wipe it off with your finger. If this mesh wasn't here, it gets caught into the filter. Oh, this one actually has a triple filtration. So not only does it have this mesh that's going to stop the really fine dust, it's got this black foam that will stop more dust. And then on the other side that looks similar to this, if it didn't have the mesh or this black, all that dirt gets stuck inside of this filter and you have to change it quite a bit more often. So I really like that this has a triple system. It does include a cutting tool to get the hair off of the brush roller. I must say, I'm actually quite impressed with this, with everything they're giving you at that price point. I believe this is $400 and some odd, but I'm also going to give you a 40% off coupon code. So you go to Amazon, you click that link, you put the code in, it's going to bring it all the way down to $266, which before even testing it is an insanely good price. If this is even close to as good as its competitors that have the same style bin and LiDAR, it's going to be probably one of the best bargains with a self-empty bin you can buy simply, period. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Is that a steal or what? Do you guys like the design? I actually predict this is going to be a really good robot vacuum. Alright guys, I'm going to have a lot of future tests with this robot vacuum. I'm going to try to get one done soon for you guys. That way I can tell you if I do recommend it or not. But once again, at the $266 price, I don't think it can be beat. I'll run it through a quick test for you guys tomorrow, kind of my first impressions. And if it does well with that test, I would jump all over this robot vacuum. If you guys enjoyed that video at all, please smash that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And another quick note, I do have some different robot vacuums that these companies are sending me. And instead of me taking a payment for producing a video for them, I'm telling them that I want them to send me 2 units instead of 1. One of them I'm going to review, and the second unit I'm going to give away to you guys. So I'm going to try to get a lot more giveaways on this channel. So if you're interested in possibly winning a robot vacuum or a different item, definitely hit that subscribe button. And lastly, y'all have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys in the next one.